Okay, so let's take a look at a nice Zippo today. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box. And the label on this one says Indian head. Indian head, so this is a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. So there is the Indian head, or Native American, and this is a special edition. And that's really all it says. It's a special edition. Doesn't really give an explanation. But this one was made, it looks like, in the later part of 2017, which is I think that's December. Good stampings on this one. Real good sound. Steel insert. Lights up nice. That is the, well, Zippo calls it the Indian head, but probably should be the Native American. Let's do a drop test on this Native American Zippo. A lit drop test. Okay, so the Native American Zippo passes the drop test. And this one definitely deserves some cowbell. Maybe even an award. Knuckle bump.